We now move on to our last two questions. We only have time for last two questions. Can I have your name and affiliation, sir?
Magandang hapon po. Marlon Ramos po sa Philippine Daily Inquirer. Kay Kong Toby siguro. Kung sabi kanina ni Sen. Naimi, matagal na rin siya nagtitiis. Regarding kasi kagabi, hindi siya nabanggit ni Presidente ng kanyang kapatid sa rally niya sa Cavite. Are there any plans to drop Senator Amy from the lineup ng
drop her?
At saka yung isa pa po kasi there are also speculations na baka si Congressman Camille Villar will also be dropped from the slate.
Drop them.
With regards to that question, I cannot answer that question for them. No? So, I think, like for Amy, siguro siya dapat ang magsagot nung tanong na yun. Hindi po.
So, wala pong pinag-uusapan po so yung alyansa, pati yung nationalista regarding dun sa future nila sa SLIC?
Wala.